Today, we're going to be talking about Morimoto's new tail lights. Here at Morimoto, we've got tons of tail light offerings, anywhere from manufacturers such as Ford, Toyota, tons of Mopars, even Ferrari and Porsche. One of the new features of these lights is an integrated connection to the Morimoto backup light boost bar to make it all plug and play and seamless. With the previous versions of the Morimoto tail lights, you would have had to splice into the OEM wiring somewhere, so the install with these new versions is as simple as plug and play. These lights are an upgraded LED, so you're going to get major style point upgrades as well as performance. These units are going to be as close to OEM quality as you can get, so you're looking at an ABS plastic housing and UV resistant polycarbonate lenses in red and smoked for most models. These units are going to be covered by a 5-year warranty, so you've got some peace of mind to know that there's some coverage for 5 years while you run these lights. Make sure to head over to morimotolighting.com, hit up that buyer's guide, and see what we've got available for your vehicle.